Burma. Their distinctiveness has been ignored, assimilated to a dominant majority identity in both countries. This, to a large extent, has created a sense of alienation and had generated a subnationalist movement in international borders of India. These regions have been often described as India's biggest Jew by the mainland Indian. The basic necessities such as safe drinking water, sanitation, housing, healthcare, and electricity are still a far cry. Since the initiation of Indian Look-East policy in 1991, Northeast region occupied the most important place in the eyes of Indian government and business community from mainland India. In the name of development, there has been gradual loss of control over natural resources, including land. Our resources are regularly deregulated by the government laws and transferred for private use to outsiders, government agencies and corporate bodies without our consent. Our voices are brutally suppressed, and there has been arbitrary imposition of projects under the protection of paramilitary forces. The opening of Moret trading point inhabited by indigenous minority in Manipur by the Indian and Myanmar government has not benefited the indigenous minority, and instead it resulted in exploitation and grabbing and displacement. There is an immediate requirement of the attention of Minority Forum and Human Rights Commissions to advise the Indian government to amend a special provision for the protection of land and identity of the indigenous community. It is also pertinent to mention that higher education has become more expensive and unaffordable for the indigenous community. There is gradual increase of schools and college dropouts. Without higher education, we lack economic opportunity and expertise. Therefore, it is very essential to establish a low-cost higher education institution for medical, engineering, business management, especially for the minorities. Lastly, there are also many incidents of indirect discrimination on indigenous people while seeking credits from the bank. Therefore, I seek the attention of Minority Forum and Human Rights Commissions to request the Government of India to amend special provision for indigenous community to access credit in banks without collateral security. Thank you, ma'am.